Ever spent hours writing the same data cleaning loops or tweaking plotly charts for every new data set? Our AI data analyst agent slashes that grind with LLM powered pre processing pipelines, dynamic visualization generation via Plotly Seaborn integration, natural language insight extraction from raw data, and Python function chaining for repeatable workflows. Say goodbye to copy pasting code snippets from Stack Overflow at 2 a.m. This tool speaks directly to AI engineers, ML practitioners, data scientists drowning in Jupyter notebooks, and analytics engineers building dashboards. Because no one wants to be a CSV janitor when they could be an insight alchemist. Here's what's inside the Building AI Data Analyst Agent skill. It auto-generates pandas cleaning pipelines with outlier detection, creates interactive plotly visualizations triggered by natural language queries, extracts statistical insights using GPT-4's reasoning, orchestrates multi-step analysis with Dagster integrations, and persists reusable templates for recurring data formats. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just automation, it's your 24/7 data analysis copilot with a PhD in pandas. Installing the Building AI Data Analyst Agent skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-ai-data-analyst-agent. That's it. You'll get the complete skill with expert level guidance, pre-built analysis pipelines, and LLM prompt templates. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now understands data schemas, visualization requirements, and cleaning strategies. No PhD in MLOps required. Just run the command and watch your Jupyter Notebook problems magically, well, mostly, disappear. Because in the time it takes to brew coffee, you've just gained a full stack data analysis superpower.